Hello everyone, this is Alex from Senieer. Throughout this video, we are going to talk about OEB, so let's get started. Today our topic is overview of occupational exposure banding. The participant of occupational exposure banding, often referred to as a hazard banding, place substance into distance categories or bands that corrupt of a range of exposure intent of circuit workers' health. This band is determined by the toxicological potential of a chemical and the negative health effect. Linked of chemical exposure and occupational exposure band is produced as a result of OEB. Over the past several decades, the pharmaceutical industry and certain certificate chemical industry have used occupational exposure band to set occupational control limits or range for new or exciting substances that do not have formal OELs. A range of used in workers setting can have occupational exposure bands appeal to them using the NIOSH approach to identify a potential range of chemical exposure levels that might be utilized as a goal for exposure controls. Low risk amount workers, the NIOSH occupational exposure banding process makes use of a valuable, if frequently constant, toxicological data. The accuracy and dependability of a occupational exposure banding OEBs have been guaranteed by NIOSH through numerous stages of review of the occupational exposure banding. Every Thursday, we will post our OEB video content. If you are interested, you can subscribe our channel to stay with us. Like, share, comment in our channel will inspire us to make videos more and more. Thanks for watching.